Greetings from Florida. We're working on a 2020 and up Ford Escape. This is the left rear window. The clip is at double speed, so you can watch it in 10 minutes instead of 20. You've got a plastic plate there that's kind of tough to get off sometimes. And behind that's a screw, pretty sure it's a screw. And then this comes up with great difficulty. You'll have to pull it up hard. There's some metal clips on the other side of that. You'll see it right there. Actually, I don't think they're metal. I think they're like a white plastic. But what you'll do is, if any of them get stuck inside the door, just take them out and pop them back onto that the switch bezel when you put it back in. And you got a couple screws there and there, which I think, I'm going to guess 9/16, but I could be wrong on that. Might be one on the bottom. I can't see from here, but it might be one on the bottom. If you don't want to do this yourself, if you need us, powerupauto.com. We're in Tampa Bay and Minnesota. Just give us a call. We'd be glad to set it up for you. And it would seem I might have missed. No, I guess not. Just looking for my door panel removal tool. Pop it out. Sometimes finesse, sometimes brute strength. Lift it up a little bit. And then there's a cable on the other side that goes to that chrome handle. You're going to pull off that assembly, unplug the wiring harness. Oh, I missed one. There you go. I missed one. So hopefully you watch this whole thing. So there's one right there that I didn't get out. Now we got it all. So you're replacing the entire panel. That whole black panel is getting swapped out. Before you get started, wise idea. Get the one you're going to replace it with, line it up, make sure you've got the right side, the right panel. Yes, that's fine. But you don't want to get the whole thing out and then realize you got the wrong one. Let's take off the speaker. That's going to get replaced. If you have any questions on this, please just ask right here on YouTube. I'd be glad to answer them. If you like the video, that helps other people such as yourself find it if they're looking for it. Now you will have to get the glass clip off the glass. If I'm not mistaken, it kind of pulls off from the back. You can break it obviously because you're replacing the clip and don't break the glass, but you can break the clip. I'm looking for what size fits those white plastic pop-ins best. You're just going to turn them a half a turn. You're not going to unscrew them all the way. They just go half a turn and then you can pop them out. behind that is where you can access those clips if you want to do it that way. You can reach your hand in where the speaker is and pull them off from the back, or you can access them right there and then use an awl or punch to punch out the plastic that holds the clip onto the glass. And the new one comes with its own plastic pop-ins, which is convenient. I guess I didn't have to push that out. Tighten that down. This one's really not that complicated. Looks like what I used there was a Torx bit. I'm going to put the motor back on, which you want to do before you slide the glass into the clips, because if the motor's not on it, they'll just fall to the bottom of the panel. Not fall, but it'll go down to the bottom of the panel. So you want to put the motor on first and then put the glass back onto the clips. There you go. And a little WD-40, I don't know if this is going to be shown, but a little WD-40 on the two up and down channels, the run channels on the side, might help you to have the glass going up and down a lot easier. You can do this on all your windows, all your cars, every 3 or 4 months. Just a bit of WD-40 on the channels on the side. You don't have to soak it. And I think I've given you all the instructions you'll need. You should be able to figure out the rest of this on your own. If you need us, give us a call. And if you have any questions, ask right here. And thank you for watching. Have a good week.